I think Sarah, Maisie's owner, may have made a mistake. Maisie's the wrong name for this dog. She should have been named Apnea.